In this video, I'm going to talk about the Glideaway Motion 600 adjustable bed with the elevation kit. It is important to know not all retailers sell the Glideaway Motion 600 with the elevation kit, but we do in the current sizes Twin XL, Queen, and Split King. We do not sell it in a Split California King because Glideaway does not make the elevation kit in a Split California King size. The video will show how the elevation kit will angle the whole bed at an angle. The Glideaway Motion 600 elevation kit will angle the whole bed up to 12 degrees, but you can stop it at any time you want if you don't need it as high as the 12 degrees. The elevation kit on the Glideaway Motion 600 was designed to help alleviate indigestion, asthma, arthritis, heartburn, low back pain, snoring, and sleep apnea. It is also important to know that the elevation kit can angle the whole bed flat without having the head and foot up too. So you can lay it flat, laying on your side, or you can use it with the head and foot up too. The video is going to show a brief image of where it attaches to the frame and how it comes in the box. There's two ways to elevate the Motion 600. You can do it through the app, or you can do it through the wireless remote. If you have any questions about the Glideaway Motion 600 or like to purchase one with the elevation kit, there's a link below to our website in the description. And please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more educational videos on sleep products. Have a great day.